Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm so excited to have you here today. I'm Maya Chen, and today we're making healthy eating exciting with 10 Asian-inspired recipes that are bursting with flavor. These recipes are not only nutritious but also incredibly delicious, making it easy to stick to a healthy diet without feeling deprived. Forget bland diet food. These meals are vibrant, quick, and perfect for busy days. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent on the go, or just someone who loves good food, these recipes are designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. We'll cover everything from spicy Korean bowls to refreshing Vietnamese rolls and savory Japanese stir-fries. Each dish is packed with fresh ingredients and bold flavors that will make your taste buds dance. These are real-life recipes for real people, simple, fast, and delicious. You don't need to be a professional chef to make these meals. They're designed to be easy and approachable for everyone. I'll walk you through each one, sharing my best tips so you can feel confident in your kitchen. From chopping techniques to cooking methods, I've got you covered. Ready to transform your meal prep and actually enjoy healthy eating? Imagine looking forward to your meals every day because they're not just healthy, but also incredibly tasty. Let's get cooking. 10 easy Asian meals that taste amazing and help you reach your goals. So grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's dive into a world of flavors that will make healthy eating a joy. First up, we're making a spicy Korean veggie bibimbap bowl, a dish that's as fun to say as it is to eat. Bibimbap literally means mixed rice in Korean, and it's a celebration of color, texture, and bold flavors all in one bowl. This colorful bowl is all about variety. Start with a base of nutty brown rice or fluffy quinoa for a wholesome foundation. Then, pile on a rainbow of sautéed veggies: tender spinach, sweet carrots, crisp bean sprouts, and juicy zucchini. Each vegetable is cooked quickly with a touch of toasted sesame oil and a sprinkle of minced garlic, which brings out their natural flavors while keeping them vibrant and fresh. The key is to cook each veggie separately so every bite has its own unique taste and texture. For protein, you have options. Top your bowl with a perfectly fried egg, yolk still runny, or go for golden pan-fried tofu if you want to keep it plant-based. The egg adds richness, while tofu soaks up all the delicious flavors from the sauce and veggies. You can also add sautéed shiitake mushrooms for an earthy umami boost, or toss in some pickled radish for a tangy crunch. Bibimbap is all about making it your own. The real magic, though, is in the gochujang sauce. Gochujang is a spicy Korean chili paste that brings heat, depth, and a little sweetness. To make the sauce, mix a spoonful of gochujang with rice vinegar for tang, a hint of honey for sweetness, and a splash of water to thin it out. Stir until smooth, and you've got a spicy sweet kick that ties everything together. Now comes the fun part. Arrange your veggies and protein artfully over the rice, drizzle generously with that vibrant sauce, and don't forget a sprinkle of sesame seeds or sliced green onions for extra flavor. When you're ready to eat, mix it all up so every bite is packed with color and taste. Bibimbap is not just delicious, it's also perfect for meal prep. Simply store your sautéed veggies, rice, and protein separately in containers, and assemble your bowl fresh whenever you're ready to eat. This way, everything stays crisp and flavorful, and you can customize each bowl to your mood. This dish proves that healthy food can be absolutely beautiful and totally crave-worthy. The colors alone make you want to dig in, and the flavors are just as exciting: spicy, savory, a little sweet, and super satisfying. Plus, it's quick to put together, endlessly customizable, and surprisingly light. Each serving comes in under 300 calories, so you can enjoy a big, hearty bowl without any guilt. Whether you're eating outside at a picnic or meal prepping for the week, bibimbap fits right in. So grab your chopsticks, give it a good mix, and let's dive into this vibrant, flavor-packed bowl together. Up next, we're making a lightning-fast Japanese chicken and edamame stir-fry, a dish that's not only bursting with flavor, but also comes together in just 10 minutes from start to finish. This recipe is perfect for busy weeknights when you want something healthy, satisfying, and absolutely delicious, but don't have hours to spend in the kitchen. Start by searing thinly sliced, lean chicken breast in a hot pan or wok. The high heat locks in the juices and gives the chicken a beautiful golden color. Once the chicken is almost cooked through, toss in a generous handful of shelled edamame. These little green beans are packed with plant-based protein and add a lovely pop of color and texture to the dish. The sauce couldn't be easier to make. Just combine low-sodium soy sauce for that classic umami flavor. a splash of mirin for subtle sweetness, and plenty of freshly grated ginger and minced garlic for a punch of aromatic depth. Whisk everything together until smooth. This is the secret to that irresistible Japanese stir-fry taste. Pour the sauce over the chicken and edamame, making sure everything gets coated evenly. Let it bubble away for a minute or two, just until the sauce thickens and clings to every bite. The aroma at this stage is absolutely mouth-watering, and you'll know it's ready when the chicken is glossy and the edamame is tender. Serve your stir-fry straight from the pan for a low-carb, high-protein meal, or pair it with nutty brown rice or chewy soba noodles for something a little more filling. A sprinkle of sesame seeds and fresh green onions on top adds the perfect finishing touch. Don't be afraid to get creative. Toss in any extra veggies you have on hand, like earthy mushrooms, sweet bell peppers, or crisp broccoli. This is a great way to use up leftovers and boost the nutrition of your meal even more. This Japanese chicken and edamame stir-fry is healthy, high in protein, and so much faster than ordering takeout. It's a meal you can feel good about eating, and it's sure to become a favorite in your weekly rotation. Whether you're cooking for yourself or sharing with family and friends, this stir-fry is a weeknight staple you'll want to make again and again. Give it a try and enjoy a taste of Japan right at home. For something light and fresh, try Thai lemongrass shrimp lettuce wraps. Marinate chopped shrimp in lemongrass, ginger, garlic, fish sauce, lime, and a touch of chili. Cook quickly in a hot pan, then toss with red bell pepper and scallions. Spoon the shrimp into crisp butter lettuce leaves. Top with cilantro, chopped peanuts, and a squeeze of lime. Each bite is cool, citrusy, and packed with flavor. No carbs, all satisfaction. Perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Vietnamese tofu and herb summer rolls are a fresh, no-cook meal. Pan-fry firm tofu until golden, then wrap with mint, cilantro, basil, cucumber, carrots, and lettuce in softened rice paper. Rolling is easy. Just dip the rice paper in warm water, fill, and roll tight. Serve with a light nuoc cham dipping sauce lime juice, rice vinegar, fish or soy sauce, maple syrup, garlic, and chili. These rolls are crisp, aromatic, and perfect for hot days. They're fun to make and even better to eat, healthy, portable, and endlessly customizable. For a dish that's elegant yet simple, try Chinese garlic ginger steamed fish. Use a fresh white fish fillet, sea bass, cod, or tilapia. Make slits and stuff with ginger. Top with more ginger, garlic, and scallions, then steam for 8-10 minutes. Drizzle with a quick sauce of soy, a splash of sesame oil, and hot water. Finish with fresh cilantro and scallions. The fish is tender, aromatic, and packed with lean protein and omega-3s. No oil needed, just pure, clean flavor. Healthy eating doesn't get easier or more delicious. Need comfort? Japanese spinach and mushroom miso soup is light, nourishing, and quick. Simmer dashi broth. Use instant if you like. Add sliced shiitake mushrooms, then wilt in fresh spinach. Dissolve white miso paste in a little hot broth, then stir it in off the heat to keep the probiotics alive. Add cubes of silken tofu for extra protein. This soup is savory, soothing, and low-calorie. It's a perfect starter or a light meal on its own. Warm, healthy, and ready in minutes. Brighten your day with Thai mango and quinoa salad. Toss cooled quinoa with diced ripe mango, red bell pepper, and red onion. Dress with a zesty lime vinaigrette, lime juice, rice vinegar, honey, soy sauce, ginger, and chili. Add fresh cilantro and top with toasted cashews or peanuts. It's sweet, tangy, crunchy, and full of plant-based protein. Perfect for lunch or as a colorful side. Healthy eating never tasted so vibrant. Start your morning strong with an Asian veggie egg scramble. Whisk eggs with a splash of soy sauce and white pepper. Sauté broccoli, mushrooms, and bean sprouts. Then add garlic and ginger. Pour in the eggs and gently scramble until just set. Finish with scallions, a drizzle of sriracha, and sesame seeds. Fast, protein-packed, and loaded with veggies. A breakfast that keeps you full and energized. For a quick dinner, make garlic ginger shrimp and broccoli stir-fry. Blanch broccoli, then stir-fry with shrimp in a hot pan. Add a sauce of soy, rice vinegar, honey, and a cornstarch slurry, plus plenty of garlic and ginger. Toss until the shrimp are pink and everything's coated in a glossy glaze. Serve as is or with brown rice or quinoa. High in protein, fiber, and flavor, done in minutes. A weeknight winner you'll crave again and again. Cool off with Japanese soba noodle and cucumber salad. Cook soba noodles, rinse under cold water, and drain well. Thinly slice Japanese or Persian cucumber for crunch. Toss noodles and cucumber with a dressing of rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of honey. Add toasted sesame seeds for extra flavor. Let it sit a few minutes to meld, then garnish with scallions or shredded nori. Light, refreshing, and satisfying. Perfect for lunch or a light dinner. That's it. 10 delicious, healthy, Asian-inspired recipes to make healthy eating exciting. I hope you feel inspired to try these at home and make them your own. Mix and match veggies, swap proteins, and adjust flavors to suit your taste. Cooking for yourself is the best way to eat well and feel great. Let me know your favorites in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SlimSync recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!